We are live.
We are back for
Part 3.
part 3. I've forgotten. And
Of
we're
Heavy
looking
Rain.
at this bizarre picture. It kind of looks. I do see the bat.
A bat.
Yeah, I'll agree with that. Wolf.
That's definitely a wolf.
For me, at least.
Absolutely.
A wolf's head.
Crab, me, at least.
It's like a beetle.
Crab.
I'm gonna say.
It looks like an animal, or like an
Yeah,
insect,
I'll say
or
crab.
crustacean of some sort.
A threatening shadow.
a shadow. Definitely, it's like death.
Yeah. Death is actually an option.
Oh, because that's what definitely looks like. We're in some sort of like new wellness center.
Jesus Christ, look at this place.
Oh, have we just joined? Is this Scientology? Is that actually
No.
what this is?
Oh my god, that's why he's living in a shit place. All his money's going towards the therapy with this guy. I mean,
Oh,
like, it costs a fortune just to get a guy with a clipboard pretending to care about you, but, like, look at this place. He's got, like, computers and shutters.
pictures of Jesus.
Like, 95% of his paycheck must go to this.
Start over, Ethan.
This doesn't look true.
You're not responsible for what happened.
It's my fault Jason is dead.
Well,
He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
Memory sadness.
It was an accident.
Yep, that's some high tech stuff there. Sadness,
You can't
sadness,
blame
I'm
Oh,
willing.
shit.
yourself forever for your son's
They're off the charts!
You can't blame yourself forever. How is Sean?
It's true, you can't. You gotta move on.
He's a very solitary kid, you know, very focused within himself. He's really close to his mother. With me, he's more distant.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
Depressed,
I
dead,
No
Jesus.
longer want to live.
Oh,
I have no
What about
reason
your
to
other
live.
son, you shit?
Not even for your son,
Yeah.
Sean.
poor guy.
I couldn't save Jason. Sean doesn't need a father like me.
Oh, well, he's not feeling good about
Poor
himself.
lad.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
No, not really.
No.
No. Keep
No.
away for now.
That's the end of this session. We'll continue.
Are you
this
still
conversation
juggling,
later.
Ethan? You know that's a trigger mechanism for you. It needs to stop.
Well, I was juggling to apples the other day. But only for a second.
Survived the traumatic accident.
Ego. This is definitely like a fake Scientology thing. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I don't exactly.
That's totally what we're going for, isn't it?
Shit. I mean, again, it's effective, but it's really heavy-handed.
Yeah.
It's just sort of like, the computer says he's sad. We should feel that he is
Yeah.
sad.
I don't know. I think they convey it pretty good.
Yeah, that was one of the better scenes so far. I'd say.
I believe that he's depressed. You know.
No, I'm alright.
Let's have a talk. Father and son.
How did things go at school today?
Bullshit.
Yeah, you
Teacher
never.
yelled at me for
Yeah.
being late again.
It's a bit annoying that there are only one-word things because this could mean about school,
Yeah,
bringing up
it's-
something about
A
school.
little bit vague.
Teacher yelled at me for
Next time, really pull it together, okay?
being sitting home next time.
It's no good.
Do you want to eat
You
something?
feel like dinner?
Did he get homework? Homework?
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
There aren't any other kids. Well, I guess I'll play.
Just go play by yourself. Wee! Look how much fun I'm having, Sean.
Seesaw and a long. What do you think?
What do you think, Sean? I've done it myself. My dad, that's great.
Right, oh, he's
Uh,
took a bit of a roundabout route.
Sean? He's got a concussion.
There's something wrong with that kid. Alright,
Okay, let's go. I thought about leaving him there, but
leave him hanging. Oh, this is a lot of, thrusts downwards.
oh, I know. Yeah, I've seen this. I know of this scene. This is fairly infamous. There's a rainbow. Look
Oh,
at the
maybe
symbolism.
things are slightly getting better.
You wanna fly, boy? You think you can fly?
Oh.
And this is how I lost my second son.
He said make me fly, but I launched him too damn high.
He said I can fly! I believe him! That's enough flying for one day.
Yeah.
Maybe if you actually work a bit, you'll get your pilot's license.
Jesus.
Like you've been working on.
Why did we get the shit son?
Why did the good son die?
I bet I could push you so
Now we go to
fast you'd be
America.
able to stay on.
We have to do everything in order, son. Only once, and then we can go.
Come, let us play on the merry-go-round, son, while I contemplate how you're dead to me.
That's what this game is, isn't it? Let's interact with the real world while I consider depression.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, it's almost 4:20 on the clock. You said you wanted to fly, son. I've got an idea.
Oh my god!
Not impressed.
That is...
Oh, Sean, come back. My dad's so lame.
Oh, excuse me.
Fast as you can.
Push him once. You had one spin.
Just the look of dejection and, like, hatred on his face as you failed.
Oh, fast! Like the car that killed your brother! You're always bringing it up! Try to live in the past here! Ah, he's happy. He's enjoyed himself.
Mm.
Whoa. I think my head is...
I mean, so far you've been a fairly passable dad in all the scenes you've had to.
Yeah, so far. But you're not going to be able because you're dumb. Anyway,
Yep.
yeah, you know, father and son bonding.
Yeah.
Not so distant now. He's hugging me. I'm a good dad. I think
No.
no, this is going to sweet.
Fair enough. All, you know, all the sort of, like,
You wanna
childhood
go down
imagery
this
of
way?
father and son.
Yeah.
I'll push you.
Except it's raining,
Yeah.
Okay.
and therefore abject misery.
No, you're pushing him.
Oh, I wanted to go as well. Nice.
Come on, Dad.
He,
Higher.
he just wanted to go so high.
Yeah, I feel like with this music, I feel like everything is just
Yeah.
going to end terribly.
Yeah.
Every scene with Ethan, another one of his children die, and they
Yeah.
just keep introducing new children.
They just keep dying and he keeps, like, doing really stupid
Ah, yes,
shit.
my daughter. My daughter Emily.
Mm.
Well, we're at the park, you see. He's loving it. I'm the best dad in this park. I will fight any other dad. Hey son, you want to see me fight other dads?
That will be pretty good.
That's cool, isn't it? That's what cool fathers do.
Yeah.
That was cool.
You don't know the meaning of cool.
Yeah. Because then you're doing both. You're sort of playing cool dad and you're playing sort of life's going off the rails dad.
Looks like rain's coming. I think we better go.
Just stop running.
Okay.
Oh, he's doing it again. It's happening again.
John! John!
Jason!
Don't leave me!
You know, sometimes I
Okay.
remember before,
And never
I mean,
will.
when Jason was still here. Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it
Man,
was
this game, I
before.
didn't realize this game would be so sad.
Me too, Sean.
Haven't you seen like anything from it? It's
Not
like,
really. I thought this game was kind
It's,
of like...
it's not another wacky sort of Indigo Prophecy adventure.
yeah, well,
if that's
that,
what you were
that
expecting.
game was so like goofy and like
Yeah, there's a lot less goof here.
it tried to take itself seriously, but it was also like the evil homeless and
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel?
Fine.
Can I?
Sure.
wait.
Go pick a horse and
There's
get on.
machinery that
I'll get a ticket.
requires tickets in this local
Yeah,
playground. What the?
I mean, there was a guy with the AR vision earlier. Maybe this is the future. You need to head to the booth. To
This
the
is
right,
crazy.
I think. There's a guy. Oh, there's a guy in it. Never mind.
What is it?
One,
Oh,
please.
That's $1.
My son wants to go on the carousel.
If you know what I'm saying. And he just hands you some pills.
He said he wants to go high.
How high can my son get on the carousel?
Jesus. I'm trying to be a good dad, you know.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give him what he wants. It just spins back around and he's not on it. Oh no! Again! And he wakes up. It's not horrible.
I had a drink in my mouth. That made me laugh. Oh, it's happening
Oh
again.
no! We're freaking out.
Another bloody blackout.
It's like every time he's not with his son, he's having a meltdown. It's pretty crazy.
Well, it seems to be like his only real reason for carrying on anymore.
Oh no, that's... Don't say that. Whoa!
Oh shit! Forgot about that.
I barely got that.
That could have ended right there.
Yeah, that could have been bad. But can you die in the dream world? That's the question.
Get the same place.
And it seems to be raining more. I think.
You ready to do this again?
Oh, great. Oh, dude, we can run! This is what I've wanted all along. This game gets me. Oh man, we're really going for it. Yeah, go back to the...
Yeah, he's gonna be waiting there for hours after you had a meltdown.
He's still on the carousel.
He's still going around the carousel.
Shut up!
It's just that's his bag.
He's shouting it while he picks it up.
Sean! Are you in there, Sean?
I'd like another ticket, please.
I need to go back in. My son's there.
I need another ticket. Sean!
God.
This isn't going to end well, is it? This can't end well.
Well.
I feel like...
Go, go, go!
Oh, we're home, okay. I feel like this is set exactly where Fahrenheit's set. Like, they're both just set in, like, New York.
Well, it's snowing then.
But that, just like, those streets, I feel like
Yeah.
there was an entire scene in Fahrenheit that happened. Like, remember when we went to the dry cleaners or whatever?
Yes. I do,
That's, I don't know, it's just reminding me of that.
yeah.
He's doing his homework, you bet. Oh, he's still got the TP. In his room.
Fair enough.
Because I don't know, maybe we're Native Indian. We have some Native Indian
Oh, he's
culture.
only gone and lost another one. It's like you said.
Yeah, every time. But isn't this a dream? Or was the playground a dream? And is this reality?
Nah, he's gone, mate. That's the real world. It's realer than reality.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
We were in the dream world.
No, you just had a blackout.
Oh, okay. Oh, were we actually there in the first time around?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a dream.
God damn.
Oh, okay. I maybe would have said something to the psychiatrist guy if I'd have known it was real. Oh man, we really have just lost our other son. God, we're useless. Maybe we should kill ourselves. You know, can't do anything right.
Just get another son, like adopt another son and then lose him at the end of the third chapter with Ethan.
I feel like maybe his mother is better for him than I am.
Hmm.
Okay.
1.3 inches.
Yeah, it's a really
Sorry,
it's a really weird thing
I
to
couldn't
know.
help myself.
It's so bizarre.
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be.
Oh,
finished
this is
soon.
great. Put on your glasses with the top one. No, that's just to look cool as fuck. The other one, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's this dude. Yeah.
Yeah, the face on the loading screen dictates who it's
Oh,
you're going to be
I
playing
wasn't sure if
as.
that was someone I was supposed to recognise. Whoa.
Ready to play some cool as fuck mobile games?
Whoa. You're telling me this is set in 2009? This is ridiculous. I had no idea anything about this stuff. Am I the only one in the world with this technology?
I think it's meant to be like a FBI thing.
Right, yeah. They have these cool games.
Will Smith does not know what to make of this.
Are you feeling okay? I mean, that's a weird motion to do if you're not holding a ball.
It's like you're very lazily trying to swat a fly.
I mean, just keep going, right?
Yeah,
There's no reason we shouldn't. Although, can we play other games?
I think so. No, I think...
There was like other games on there.
I think that's just fluff.
What? I'm getting up.
Oh no, you're getting... You do that prompt if you want to look cool as fuck. We've established this.
Yeah, that's true. You know, I'm going back in. Pull me back in. I mean, that's pretty cool animation.
Wait, no, oh, no, it is just...
Good to know David Cage put things to pass the time.
I'm off,
Mm.
Charlene.
Oh, yeah.
In case people get bored.
Cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain.
That'll be the next thing in, oh, Jesus Christ.
Whoa, okay, personal space, buddy.
Yeah. In Detroit, it'll literally just have like a button where you can play Frogger during some of the conversations.
I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you mind tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you know, I can't really talk and walk, you know.
Started,
I haven't really nailed that.
Perhaps there's a better time.
No, now it's fine. I just have to get to the press conference.
Excuse me! Thank you.
Everyone's so rude.
Everyone in this department has no respect. It's a vibrant...
Oh, now this is good. How's your fine motor?
I guess.
To be frank with you, I could have
Do you
done
think
without
you can
the
tie a
FBI
tie?
on this one, but the press
Boy.
are all over us. This origami killer case crept
This is
up on
gonna
us,
be
and it's
Go
fast
for
an ordeal.
national.
I think it's one of those things where you have to hold down a button and then hold down the other while not letting go of anything.
Guy is exotic. These flowers.
Wait, why am I tying his
origami
tie? Can he
figures.
not do it himself?
Work that one out.
I guess not.
Press get
How
on
long
with
have you been doing this job?
it, and we suddenly
can't
become
tie
the
your own
center of the
tie?
universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer. With all due
Are
respect,
you a
sir,
serial killer?
the rest of it, it's none of my business.
Cold.
Ooh. That little look he gave him.
What's he doing with his hands? Hey, see? I'm here for
All
us.
I'm asking is that you make progress, and fast. The press want a perpetrator, and we're gonna have to serve him up on a silver platter.
Be silver. My favourite colour. Wouldn't a gold be better? Or diamond or
I think it's just a saying.
diamond encrusted?
I mean, Diamond Encrusted Platter would be pretty
Go
fancy.
see Charlene, she'll show you to your office. Yeah, check in on the press conference if you're interested. It'll give you an idea of the political climate
boy.
around here.
You want to learn the political climate of Made Upsville?
Do you want to do
Welcome to
some
the club.
political minigame?
I think you can actually sit in for like a solid 15-minute lecture on like
Play
the political pastime of this
play
area.
my AR games in the corner. Throw a baseball at the floor.
Yeah. I think you have to go. That's the way to the conference if you want to sit in.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Sure.
Let's see what they got going. Oh, can we get some straight?
Yeah, but the coffee's crap.
What? David Cage, you can't put a vending machine in there and not let me use it. That's such a tease.
The body
Hello, I'm the
of
press.
Jeremy Bowles was found this morning on a patch of wasteland in the East End at about 6:30 a.m., 5 days after he was reported missing. An autopsy will be conducted to
Autopsy.
determine the
Got it.
exact
I understood that word.
But going from first indications,
Hey,
it would seem
what?
that
What's
he
an
was
autopsy?
What the fuck is he talking about?
suggests the
I thought I'd be able to
methodology
heckle him
of
with
the
it.
origami
Just boo him on stage. Boo the police sergeant on stage.
You suck! Okay. I can
Put back on, take that.
I need to come back and do that.
as quickly as
Have a look around the station. Stretch my legs for a bit.
I'll field some questions. Yes.
You said the methodology indicated another victim for the origami killer. Can you be more specific?
An origami figure was found in the
I'm dying of thirst. Where's the water cooler when you need one?
That was Charlene you just passed in the brown hair.
I saw Blake when I arrived. Maybe I should go talk to him.
Just sneak up behind her.
Nice watch.
Can I hope?
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the past 20 years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
Of course.
Absolutely not.
Congratulate
Okay.
Larry on my behalf.
I'll be sure to do that, sir.
Just let him know it was me.
Captain Perry said you could show me to my office.
Yes, of course. Follow me.
Oh, I remember this bit. This is about to get freaky as fuck.
Oh, what? Kind of freaky.
You'll see. More sort of Minority Report Matrix shit.
Oh, more?
Yeah.
Oh, are we gonna go like full...
You know,
Oh, this is
properly
gonna be
plug
good.
in and everything.
This is gonna be good. In this tiny office.
This is my office?
That's where I was told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
I can't believe that woman!
Okay, time to work.
You want to sit down at the chair? That might be a good
I
start.
thought I could get to the filing cabinet or something. Oh, okay, there you go.
There we go.
That's pretty good. I like that.
Flip the table.
Fuck you guys!
Give me this shitty office! Just trash the place and then...
Oh, this is gonna get cool, isn't it?
This is going to get reasonably cool, yes.
Every really likes its sci-fi shit, eh?
What you were seeing is how peasants solve cases.
Yeah, exactly.
This is how we do it at the FBI.
Desk and table. Okay, let's put specs back on.
Step 1. Change the office.
Oh, word. Let's go to a tropical beach.
You can, actually.
Oh, really?
You can pick a whole number of really, like, beautiful, like, environments to set your office in. Mars, I think.
Really?
Try it.
Yes! Oh, this is cool. Wow. Didn't do this in Minority Report. Yeah, I assume that's going to be like autumn, winter stuff.
Yeah.
Man, what is with the frame rate of that stuff? Oh,
Yeah, it did this in the other one as well, the PS3 version.
Hey, no, it's a pretty nice looking environment. Just in my wood office,
Yeah.
solving crimes.
There's Mars again. That's my favourite when I was playing.
Okay, what's this?
That's bottom of the sea.
Oh, word. It's like absurd.
Yeah.
Right.
Everything's better down when it's wetter. Did you get that reference, or is that?
I missed. I was just laughing at him sitting on a floor, the ocean floor on a desk.
Yeah.
I'm solving underwater crimes.
This one is my favourite. I'd recommend going with this. Oh no! Wait. Yes, this one.
Okay, there we go. Whoa, is that? Wow, it's like a. Whoa, it's like a picturesque painting.
Yeah. When you're happy with one, just flick the whole controller to the right to clear them all. Yeah. Preferably without hitting the mic.
Eight victims in the last 3 years.
Quite a lot.
All boys, aged between 9 and 13.
John, you cheeky git. John, you dirty bastard.
This is what you're into.
The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight. No one notices anything. Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later. Drowned. in rainwater.
That's fucked.
That is pretty fucked. You can also, with a file, you can geoanalyze on the map, see if anything in there pertains to...
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Also to standard analyze, which can work with some
Killer
things.
has a large comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base. This won't make the geoprofiling any easier.
I'm a detective.
Yeah. And this is
Always
the
the same ritual.
killer operandi.
Origami in the hand.
Modus operandi.
Orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found, which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned. Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
This is quite the case.
Hmm. And how did you find all those, suspects and witnesses if there were no leads?
Yeah, wow, not a single lead.
The killer is
We
white,
literally just
aged
what's it
between
called?
30 and 45.
Talk to the public without with a microphone.
Calm and determined. An organized type.
Vox pop,
He
that's
has a
it.
car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
clues. Whoa. This is my clues cube.
Well,
Yep.
wow. Looks like there's something new.
Oh yeah. Looks like there's something new.
Satellite imagery?
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad.
Is he meant to
line.
be like New York? Is he meant to be from New York?
Maybe the
Yeah,
killer's
that's
car.
the gist.
Okay. I feel like they're all like not definitely
Yeah,
not
yeah.
Americans trying
Yeah.
to put on. Okay, do you know what are those like pictures of roads?
that's not like enough to discern where the killer is,
Yeah,
right?
fine. Picture of the killer.
Get the origami.
Yeah, what's up with this origami? I feel like it's on, it's on the main menu, so it must be important.
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
Killer's made of paper.
No prints or
Go
specific
investigate that.
clues.
See.
Nothing much
I'm
to
gonna
go
jump
on.
off this virtual cliff.
Wonder what would happen if he did.
He walked straight into that wall. Yeah?
Common species. That doesn't help much.
Mm. Wait, what was it with the flower? It was like found
On the in the victim's hand.
Common
Okay.
species.
as well as the
That doesn't help much.
origami thing.
Yeah. And there's the tire tracks.
We did that, right?
You saw the video where you found the tire tracks, but you haven't looked at the tire tracks themselves.
Killer's car is
Ooh.
probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
More or less got a brand. Arrest everyone with a Chevrolet Malibu
Yes.
83.
Let's
That
go
will
on it.
solve it. I think that is everything. Good start.
Well, look at those pictures.
I mean, that origami shop is basically a lead in of itself.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna go there. At some point. Oh, this stuff as well.
He's getting the shakes.
Yeah. Take some of the blue powder. That's kind of a mess.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
Yep. Okay. See what this is about.
I need
What do
to
you got for me
fix
now?
him. I'm gonna faint if I resist.
This guy's not dirty.
He's a massive druggie.
I can make
As
it.
it turns
Yeah,
out.
is that what's
No,
going
I can
on?
make it.
He's having major withdrawal. Crypto. We can do it. Stumble out into the office. I'm fine!
Is everything alright, sir?
Yep. Let me just go to my VR
Yeah,
world.
coming into work after a hangover. This is basically.
Oh, yeah, pretty much.
No one must see.
God, he's twitching. Oh, man.
Shit.
Maybe I'm.
Hold it. You need to hold your hand so it doesn't visibly shake, and make your way to the bathroom.
It's very normal to hold your other hand with your hand. Makes me hold a lot of things though. I'm a nosebleed as well.
Yeah.
This is like beginning of Fahrenheit.
He's gonna come out from the door behind him and kill him and start Fahrenheit.
Oh no!
They both take place at the same
That
time.
would
That's
be-
the twist.
That would be six twists. That's so cage.
That is so good.
Yeah, very similar. Yeah, you don't look terrible or anything.
Mm.
You don't look like a massive junkie.
Now, here's the difficult part. How much can you remember of the
Everything.
time when the time Sean went missing?
Everything. I remember everything.
What time was it?
11. No. 1 p.m.
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marshall. Would you please tell
Ethan
him
Mars?
It was
Ethan
this
Mars, yeah.
afternoon.
That's a sick
I went to
name.
the park with my son Sean. We played together for a while, and then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses.
Uh-huh.
And when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
He flew.
Exactly what
He
time
did.
did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr.
Oh,
Mars.
boy.
Every detail can be important.
It must have been about
4:45, 5:15.
That's a weird way of writing it. I'm going to say
5:30, I think. I'm not really sure.
I didn't pick that.
He didn't
I
do it.
took
What
too
was
long.
your son
yeah.
wearing when he
Yeah.
disappeared?
He was wearing a coat,
Oh man.
a brown coat. And a pair of
Yeah, he was
pants.
definitely wearing pants, and they were beige.
Beige pants.
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
I took a little walk.
I did. I didn't leave. I watched the carousel.
How could Sean
and
possibly have vanished if you were right there watching the carousel?
I don't know. I don't understand.
You say you took your son to the park after school.
Oh shit, you're going to get
You
interrogated.
reported missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long
very
to contact the
suspicious.
police?
Why did you take so long, Dan?
I don't know. I panicked. I didn't know what to do.
Did Sean have any particular difficulties, Mr. Mars?
No, he hugged me.
Something that
He was
might have
doing
caused
good.
him to run away?
But let's say yes.
Sean is a sensitive child. Our relationship has been a little difficult recently.
The better son died.
Yeah, pretty much.
Everything okay at school? Any particular problems between you and your wife?
Well, let me tell you about that.
My wife and I have been separated for the last 6 months. But Sean would not have gone off without telling his mother and me.
That's what they all say.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Okay.
Do you think the origami killer...
Well, yes, most probably.
Listen, your son's probably just run
Probably
off
dead
and
in a
he'll turn up
ditch,
in a
drowned by
couple
rainwater. In his right hand there will be a
What if it is the
killer
origami killer?
and a flower.
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
You're about
Deadline.
to lose another one, Dan.
I can always have another one.
And then let that one die too.
I always have backup children.
Just keep having and killing your children.
Because I lose my children so much.
Oh. Yeah, this is going to be awkward.
Did they find something?
No, nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they think it's the origami killer?
It's still too early to say, but it is a possibility.
Bad shit. Bad shit is going down.
What happened, Ethan? How could you lose Sean like that? You should never have taken your eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park?
Pretty difficult.
Why did
apparently.
you leave him, Ethan? Why?
Especially when you're freaking out.
Wasn't it enough losing Jason?
No, I want to listen to this one! If you really must know. I enjoyed it so much the first time.
Yeah, it was great fun.
That's not what I meant to say.
Did you not see how I went from a really nice house to a shitty house? Did you not see that?
It's the sad music. Gotta be respectful.
She's in grief, you know. It's bad times. This game's heavy.
Yeah, well.
It truly is a heavy rain.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest difference, aside from the lack of sight. You know,
Yeah,
like-
just the tone.
Yeah, just the lack of supernatural shit and the fact that
Wow.
this one really is going all
Exactly.
out and taking itself
Yeah,
seriously.
this is like, man, grim. Alright, we're back to this guy, so I guess we'll probably call it here, I guess. That was the end of that chapter.
Yep, that's fair enough.
That was the end of part 3.
For Heavy Rain playthrough.
And yeah, we'll just leave it there for now.
That works.
But yes, that's the end of part 3. Tune in next time for part 4.